The M25 experienced a major traffic disruption after a collision involving a motorbike and a car near the Dartford Crossing. The incident caused long queues, significant delays, and frustration for thousands of drivers traveling through one of the busiest road routes in the United Kingdom. According to traffic updates, the collision happened near the Dartford Crossing, which connects Kent and Essex. Because this route is used by thousands of vehicles every day, even a single incident can quickly affect traffic in both directions. Soon after the collision was reported, emergency services arrived at the scene to assist those involved and make sure the area was safe. Traffic officers also worked to manage the flow of vehicles. While the road was partially restricted, drivers were advised to expect delays and, where possible, use alternative routes. As the result of the incident, traffic built up rapidly on the M25, with queues stretching for several miles during the busiest part of the day. Many commuters, delivery drivers, and families traveling through the area found themselves stuck in slow-moving traffic for a long time. The Dartford Crossing is one of the most important transport links in southeast England. It carries traffic between Kent and Essex and is used by people traveling to London and other ports of the country. Because of the high number of vehicles that pass through every day, any disruption can be a wide impact across the surrounding road networks. Traffic monitoring services showed the congestion spread to nearby roads as drivers looked for different routes to avoid the delays. This created additional pressure on local roads, making travel slower in several nearby areas. Officials encouraged motorists to check live traffic updates before beginning their journey. Planning ahead and allowing extra travel time helps many drivers avoid the worst part of the congestion. Emergency teams remained at the location until it was safe to fully reopen the affected lanes. Once the scene was clear, traffic slowly began returning to normal. However, because of the large number of vehicles already on the road, delays continued for some time before conditions gradually improved. Events like this remind us how quickly traffic conditions can change, especially on busy motorways such as M25. Even a short disruption can lead to long queues that affect thousands of people, including workers, businesses, and emergency services trying to move through the area. Road safety experts often remind drivers to stay alert, keeping a safe distance from other vehicles and avoid sudden lane changes. Following speed limits and paying close attention to road conditions can help reduce the risk of incidents and keep traffic flowing more smoothly. Authorities have not released further details beyond confirming the collision and managing the traffic situation. Investigations into the circumstances of the incident are handled through the normal process, and any additional updates will be shared by the relevant authorities if needed. In my opinion, incidents like this show why patience is so important while driving. A calm and careful approach on the road not only helps keep everyone safer, but also reduces unnecessary stress during unexpected delays.